Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, you are learning about CH-2.5 of third bit, that is factorize of the following using suitable identities. So we have to use a one suitable identities to the three problems. So coming to the first one, 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So before starting the sum, we have to take the square numbers of first square numbers, that is 9x square and y square. So 9x square number is 3. So we have to write as 3x square. So then plus 6xy is as it is and plus y whole square. So we have to think that 3x plus y whole square is the answer. So we are getting one formula in our mind, that is a plus b whole square is the formula. We have to use it in this question. Plus 2ab plus b square we have to use in this formula. So we have to check that this formula we have in this question we are getting this equation or not, we have to check in this formula. So 3x plus y whole square is equals to 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y whole square. So these implies we are getting 3 square is 9, 9x square plus 2 into 3 6x into y is 6xy plus y square. We are getting, yes, this is possible. So we can say that these implies 3x plus y is the whole square is the answer. But still we can divide. So whole square means we are, in this only we are having two numbers, that is 3x plus y and 3x plus y. We are getting two binomials here. But in first bit, in of CH-2.5 first bit, they are given these two binomials. Remind that. If you want of the first bit, I'll give the link in the description form. You can check in that. So now this they are given this binomials, and we have to check. We have to get the answer. This equation we have to get. Okay, I'll give in the description form. Once go to the description. Okay, this is the answer of the first one. Okay, now coming to the second one, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So in this we have to, we can say that 4y square we can say as 2y whole square we can say, and 1 is 1 square we can say. So here we have to use y's a minus b whole square formula. Why? Because in the answer we have getting y, we are getting here minus, so we have to use a minus b whole square. Yes, so you have to think a is equals to 2y and b is equals to 1. You have to think that a is equals to y and b is equals to 1. So you have to write the formula. Must write the formula. Why? Because they said that using suitable identities. So they are mentioned in the question, but then we have tried must write the formula. If they not mention that it will not use the formula, so we can do directly. Not need to write the formula. But in the question of CH-2.5 third one, they are saying that use suitable identities. So we must write the formula. So writing the formula, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So these implies 2y minus 1 whole square is equals to a is 2y minus 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 whole square. So these implies 2 square is 4 y square is as it is minus 2 into 2 4y plus 1. Yes, so yes, this is possible. So we can say that 2y minus 1 whole square is the answer. So these implies, therefore answer is equals to 2y minus 1 and 2y minus 1 is the answer of second one. Okay, now coming to the third one, x square minus y square is equal by 100. So here you are getting in your mind that we can use two are square numbers. So we can use here as a square minus b square formula we can use. Why? Because two are square numbers, so we can use. But also we have to take these two numbers in the square form. Is equals to a plus b or a minus b. We have to use this formula in this third one. So now coming to the third one, x square minus y square by 100, y square by 100. So these implies you have must write the formula a square minus b square is equals to a plus b of a minus b. Here we have to use, you have to take the square numbers, that is a is equals to x and b is equals to y square is as it is 10, 100 square is 10, 10 square is 100, and then we have to write that y by 10. So these implies x square minus y by 10 square is equals to x square is equals to x minus y by 10 whole square is equals to, these implies, we can see in this also we are having two numbers, that is x plus y by 10 and x minus y by 10, we are having two numbers in this. So this is the this is the third one, that is x plus y by 10 and x minus y by 10. So this is the third bit of exercise 2.5. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share to my channel.